In this video, we are going to see how to solve the Trend 963 software's user lockout problem. Causes: to enter several incorrect passwords during login on 963 software. Solution: delete the existing SQL database data. Before deleting the SQL database, try backing up the entire C disk in ISO format using third-party software. During this process, if any essential files are removed, the 963 will not run permanently. Open the C disk or where your 963 software was installed. Select and open the Program Files folder, then the Trend Control Systems folder, and finally the 963 folder. This folder contains all of the data, including database files, 963 documentation, license key details, software images, and more. Find the 963 license details text document file, open it, and check your 963 license status. Find the database folder and select and open it. You will see the I96X data and log file. You also make a backup of these two files and save it in another folder. Once all of the backup process is completed, select both the I96X data and I96X log files and delete it. Then restart or open the 963 software. A display will appear stating that the 963 supervisor software will now establish a new database. The dialog box will ask you if you would like to continue. Click the Yes option. Then, the 963 supervisor software will begin to generate a new database. After successfully creating the new 963 database, a new user dialog box will appear. In addition, the 963 has produced a new system administrator username and password. Please take a note of your new password and save it to some secure place. Have you noted your new username and password? Click Yes option. The 963 security upgrade box will display. Next, click the OK option. The new 963 database will be successfully created. Select the navigation option, which appears on the left side of the 963 window, and then open Users, selecting the System Administrator and double-clicking it. Enter the System Administrator password. After successfully logging in, you can also create multiple users. The user lockout issue has been resolved. Thank you for watching.